Hello. Today we'll be building the absorption experiment. Our list of materials includes 2 temperature sensors, 2 styrofoam blocks with cavities in the middle, a piece of black construction paper, a piece of white construction paper, a basic board, an HP stream, some tape, a pair of pliers, and a set of wire cutters. First, take your styrofoam block and place the white paper and the black paper on the same side as where the holes are. This is because we are placing the temperature sensors inside the holes and measuring the temperature change between the absorption of light. Make sure to tape down the 4 corners of the construction paper in order to keep it at the same level. This should be how it should look. Notice that the papers do not cover the semicircle holes that reach to the middle of the styrofoam blocks. This is to allow ease of getting the temperature sensors into the middle of the block. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to construct our basic board. The basic board is comprised of 3 parts. First part, the header board. This is the piece that sits at the top of the basic board. We have the app board, which is the chip that runs all of the applications and will run this experiment. Then we have the breadboard. This is the actual board itself. In addition, we have several wires attached to various parts of the basic board. As for our experiment, we have a yellow wire indicating temperature sensor 1 and a blue wire indicating temperature sensor 2. We're going to take the temperature sensor and we're going to line up on the basic board. Now there are a few things to note here. First, notice that the yellow wire on the back side of the temperature sensor is meeting up with the middle orange wire on the temperature sensor. Also, the red wire shown at the bottom matches with the red wire of the temperature sensor. This gives the temperature sensor power. Further notice, the black wire here is the ground wire, and it matches up with the yellow wire on the temperature sensor. This temperature sensor is temperature sensor 1. Let's install the second temperature sensor. Just like that, we have 2 temperature sensors on our app board, or on our basic board. You need to plug in the FTDI cable into the USB slot on the stream. We're going to take our temperature sensors and put them into our styrofoam blocks. Notice how deep they go. The temperature sensors now are approximately halfway between each styrofoam block. This is to allow the best transmission of information and the fastest rate of absorption possible.